In this video, we are going to take up one more problem on development of lateral surfaces of solids. How to solve this problem by using the Solidate software. The problem reads as a vertical cylinder of base diameter 50 mm and axis length 60 mm is cut by two planes which are perpendicular to VP and inclined at 45 degrees to HP and passing through the center point on the top face. Draw the development of the lateral surface of the cylinder. So this is the problem. So how to solve this? To do that, first I will go for the Solidate screen. So this is the default sheet size of A2 and now I need to set it for A4. So to do that, take the cursor to the lower left corner on sheet 1, then right click on the mouse button and click on sheet setup and go to the background sheet. Here you have the default is A2 sheet. I want to make it A4. You click on A4. I don't want to show the background. I will disable it and I will say OK. So now the sheet shrink from A2 to A4, but the display is still set for A2. So now I need to change the display for A4. You just click on Fit. So then you go to, before actually starting with the drawing, first you go to IntelliSketch, enable endpoint, intersection and horizontal or vertical, and all other options you make it disable. Then you go to text. So here select the font name as Times New Roman, okay, and you take the font size as 4 and press enter. Now you click for the position of the text string. You just click it wherever you want. Then you start typing a text. A vertical cylinder of base diameter, a vertical cylinder of base diameter 50 mm and axis length 60 mm is cut by two planes, which are perpendicular to VP, and inclined at 45 degrees to HP and passing through the center point on the top of the top face. Draw the development of the lateral surface of the cylinder. Right click, then you go to move, select this and you place it wherever you want. Now once you do that, now I need to go for the drawing. So first I will going to create a circle. So in the top view I am going to create a circle of diameter 50. Go to circle, select this, type diameter 50. Go to circle, select this, make it 0.05. Take this, diameter is 50. Now you go to line and click on silhouette point, that is this one. This is the quadrant part of this to quadrant part of this, okay. Then I want to go for move, rotate, enable copy, select this. Then you take enable center point, take the center point of this. What is the angle? 30 degrees. Position angle is 0. And then the step angle, every time it should be rotated by 30. So you take this, click it on this. So like this, you divide the circle into 12 equal points. Once you do that, now you go to select this and you make it this 0.5. Okay. Then you go to text. So here take the font size as 3. So you take A, B, C, you take D, E, F, then you take G, H, I is not there, J, and here it is K, then you have L and M. So once you do that, now you just come down to zoom window, then go to move, place it near to those points, then you have K. Now you go to fit, come down to zoom window, go to line, one horizontal line you draw, then go to offset, take the distance as 60. So you select this and right click and then enter it, then go to line, take end point, similarly from this end point, similarly from here end point, then you take this end point. Now you go for trim all these 4 lines. Now you go to trim this, and now you go to mirror, select this line and this line, mirror with reference to this, okay. Then go to trim these 2, okay. Now once you do that, then you have 2 planes which are perpendicular to VP and inclined at 45 degrees to HP, passing through the center point of the top face. Which is the center point of the top face? That is this point. Then go to line, take end point, take 100, angle is minus 45, okay. Then again you go to mirror this line with reference to this center line, okay. Now do you want to mirror it again? No, you just right click, then go to trim these 2, okay. Now you come down to this. So now here you go to split this line till here, then you split this line till here, you split this line till here, you split this line till here, okay. Now you go to select by holding the shift key, select these 2, 3, okay. Then go to fit, make it 0.5, okay. Now you go to line, select this end point and draw a horizontal line here. Again from here you take on to this side. Now you just go to select, later on we'll do that. Now you go for writing the text. So here you say A dash, then you have D dash, then you have K dash in bracket, then you have G dash. Again you go to move, take A dash, then D dash, then K dash, then G dash, okay. Once you do that, now you go to the development, you take this 157.08 is the actual drawing. Now I want to show the dimensions of this. Go to dimensioning styles, modify, general, take everything black, then go to text, take Times New Roman, then take the font size as 3, then go to lines and coordinates, 0.1, okay, apply. Now you go to distance between, go to symbol, go to diameter symbol, okay, select between these 2, so you're going to get diameter 50, then you go to this, clear it and say okay. Now you go to distance between this line and this, you're going to get 60. Now you go to angle between this line and this line, you will go to 45. Similarly from here to here it will be 45 here, okay. So once you do that, now you go to select by holding the shift key, you select this line and this line, you make it 0.13. Now you go to text, okay, Select this, put the caps lock on, type capital X and here capital Y, and now you say VP and then you say HP. Okay, then you come down to this, go to move, select this X, you take VP, then you take HP, then you take Y. Okay, now you go to fit. Now you go to line, take some endpoint, draw a horizontal line. Similarly from here you take one, or draw a horizontal line, and from here you take this. So what is the dimension you want? I will go for trim corner between these two. Then from trim, there is no true length here, so you will go to take 157.08. So go to offset, take the distance as 157.08. So you measure this and you take it here, then go to fit, trim corner between these two, So once you do that, now I need to divide this into 12 equal points. So go to offset, take 157.08 divided by 12. So you're going to get it as 13.09. So you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then you go to offset, say again you take this and offset it here. So now you have the 12 points. Now after that I need to name them. So you come down to this, you put the caps lock on A, type A, then D, E, F, G, H, I, J, which is K, L, M, it is A. Now you go to zoom window, then go to move, select this and you keep it here, then you take G, then you take K, then you take A. So now once you do that, now we go for writing the sectional points. So here these are all called the generators. So here I will have the first point is on A dash, so I will mark this as 1 dash, then you have 2 dash, then you have 3 dash, then you have 4 dash, then you have 5 dash, then you have 6 dash, then the last point is 7 dash, then while going back you have 8 dash in bracket, then 9 dash in bracket, then you have 10 dash in bracket, then you have 11 dash in bracket, then you have 12 dash in bracket. Now you have move, select this 1 dash, then you have 2 dash, then you have 12 dash, then you have 3 dash, then you have 11 dash, then you have 4 dash, 10 dash, 5 dash, then you have 9 dash, then you have 6 dash, 8 dash, then you have 7 dash. Now you want to transfer these points to this. So 1 dash, that is line, you take from 1 to this. So you have trim this line, that is you can have the text, 1 is on A, then you have 7 is on G, okay, then you have 1 dash, okay, you take 1, then you go to line, take the second position from here till to the last but one, then go to trim. So here you will have the text as 2, then you have here which is 6, then here it is 8, then here it is 12, okay, then go to move, take 2, then you have 6, then you have 8, then you have 12. Okay. Take 1, then you have 7, then you have 1. Okay. Then you go to the third one, take line, intersection, and this will come here. So you have trim this portion. Now you have the text, which is 3, then you have 5, then you have 9, then you have 11. So go to move, select this 3, then you have 5, then you have 9, then you have 11. Now you go to text, then you have 4, then you have 10. Okay. Now you have move, take this, move it here, then 10. Now you join these things by means of a smooth curve. So to do that, you go to the curve option, take the intersection to intersection to intersection to end, then you have intersection, then you have intersection, intersection, you have the intersection, then you have end point, end point, end point, and end point. Right click. Then you have the split, split this line till here, then split this line till here. Now you go to select, by holding the shift key, you select all these 3 lines and this entire curve and make it as 0.5. So this is how you will be able to create the development of a vertical cylinder having some diameter, and this is the distance between this line and this line, which is 157.08. So this is the final solution for a section plane cutting the vertical cylinder from the center point of the top face on either side of the center point. So this is the final answer, how to develop a vertical cylinder by using the SolidEd software. Thank you.